How to hard reset back to the factory default settings your Hidamel T3E Smartwatch. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this watch is not working properly, it's not pairing with your phone, it keeps disconnecting, the data is wrong, it keeps crashing, stuff like that. A factory reset will fix a lot of those issues. The second reason you might want to do this is just like, say you want to pair this with a new phone or something like that, or you're selling it or you're buying a used one and you just want to get a fresh start. We can just factory reset it really easily. We're just going to hit this top button, any button really, to wake up the face. Once the face is woken up, we're going to hit this top right button again to get into this menu here. From this menu, we can just scroll all the way to the bottom until we get to settings. Then we're going to select this settings menu. And from the settings menu, we're just going to again scroll to the bottom. And the one before the last one, which is called system menu, we're going to select that system menu. And then you'll see we have we can turn it on, we can restart it, but the third one is we can reset it. So let's hit reset, and then it tells us, it warns us, this is going to delete all of the data. Do you want to continue? So if that's something you want to do, then we're just going to go and hit the check, and it will reset and restart, and see now it's turning back on like a brand new watch. Now it's asking you to select the language. It's asking me to scan the QR code just like it was when I first turned this watch on. If you're interested in this watch, I'll put a link below. Thanks a lot for watching.